Hey, honeys, Justina here. I'm hoping everybody's having a great day or night whenever you're viewing this. And, honey, I'm sorry. I've been sick. I believe everybody's got it because, Lord, let me just say, because one of my other friends got it, then my other friend got it, and it was just like, vice versa. But, I tested for COVID, didn't have COVID. That was a great thing. But I believe it was up in the air or the change of the season. But I'm sorry I did not record a video last week for you guys. So today we got a food review. Alright, we got Dairy Queen. I got a pumpkin. This is what it looks like. Pumpkin spice. No, pumpkin pie blizzard. Then we got a cinnamon roll blizzard right here. Alright, so I'm going to try the cinnamon roll out. I love me some cinnamon rolls. Oh my God. So if you hear me coughing, honeys, just avoid it, okay? Got like little chopped up cinnamon rolls in here too. I wonder if it's like Pillsbury that they use. And this is so good. Especially like on a hot day. Shit. A cold day beside a bonfire with your loved one. Be your perfect treat. Damn, this is so good. Okay. You just got like mini cinnamon rolls in here. Looks like you got the spice too. See, there's like the mini cinnamon rolls. Oh my God, they're so soft. I'm gonna hold the cup up though. All right, there you go, honeys. I know I just can't let this down though. Oh my God. So fucking good. That'll make you, if that won't make you pussy throb, nothing will. The bottom pieces gets kind of hard at the bottom. Mine's like a milkshake now. So, don't try to come back home and film a video. Film it in the car if you're going to do a blizzard because it's like a fucking milkshake. But my brother doesn't like being in videos and stuff, so we didn't do it. But damn, honeys, this shit's good. So what has everybody been up to? If you guys have not watched them, if you guys have not listened to the new podcast, go ahead and check it out. It's on Anchor. It's on, what else is on? Apple Music. Not Apple Music. It might be. Damn, I thought I had a large sweet tea beside me. Shit. I was about to grab that tea. What else? Spotify's on there, so go listen to it. Honey and Bless, you guys can tell I'm not feeling well. But I haven't coughed that much today. Praise God. Thank God for that. But damn, this one is so good. So, we're going to try the pumpkin spice. The pumpkin spice pie. I'm just going to call it that. There it is. I don't want it to drop everywhere. Okay, now I'm more of a sweet potato pie, but I do love pumpkin. And if you love pumpkin, you'll love this because it's just like a full-blown pumpkin. Okay. Okay, they got bits of pie crust in here. They got whipped cream with nutmeg or cinnamon on it. And that's another plus. Mm. Trying to see if I can get a feel of it. I like the filling of the pie. I don't know what the big thrill about this is. The crust is hard. It's kind of like those little Cinnamon Toast Crunch, the little cinnamon squares. That's what it's like. And I'm going to do a mukbang for you guys tomorrow. So we will have probably like 3 videos this week. Already got the questions for it and everything. Damn. Shit. I'm gonna try this one again. The little cinnamon bites in here is so fucking good. Trying to figure out which one would I want to pick from, because both of them are really good. Ooh, here's a big one. But yeah, oh, so good. What else has happened? I'm going to Playlist. Playlist is a convention. If you guys are not aware what Playlist is a convention for content creators where the fans can meet you and all that kind of stuff. So that'll be happening next year in Orlando, Florida. I think September the 1st through the 3rd. So it's going to be fun. And I forget where they have it at. So, but I'll keep you guys up to date. Because a lot of people have been wanting me to come to Florida. Hey, Justina, come to Florida. Well, you know what, honeys? I'm coming. I've only been to Florida twice. I've been there one time. My mama saw a sign, fresh oranges. Damn. It says fresh oranges, and we went and got them. It was in Jacksonville. Fresh oranges for sale. You get it. You get the shit. So we went down there. Hell, we only stayed in Jackson maybe 30 minutes to an hour. No, it had to be like 2 hours because we stopped there and we stayed at that gift shop, whatever. And we got the oranges. Why the fuck I want to say peaches? We got them. And then we were trying to go to Arby's. Don't go into Arby's down there in Jacksonville, because you'll be running out the smell of sulfur water. Oh, so fucking disgusting. We ran slap out of that bitch. What else? Then I went to Tampa on a layover. The Tampa airport is so freaking cool. But yeah, those are the only 2 times I've been to Florida. And I can't wait to go back, because it's going to be freaking fun. Especially meeting you guys. Meeting you guys is the reason why us content creators are here. If it wasn't for you guys, we wouldn't be here. And we can't thank you guys enough for it. Okay, I'm going to try this damn pie again. Woo! Just that damn smell of pumpkin. God. Just give me a pumpkin pie. Don't give me a pumpkin blizzard. Fuck. Disgusting. But alright, honeys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to say the, cinnamon rolls. Fuck. The cinnamon roll wins. So good. So So, honeys, I love you guys. Keep saying you. Stay beautiful and stay strong. And I hope you guys enjoy the review. Sorry about last week's video. But don't worry, you guys are getting 2 to 3 videos this week, I promise. Just been feeling under the weather. Coughing. What else? Sore throat. I got out of the sore throat very quickly. Just the cough. And this is more like a dry cough. What else? I think that's about it. And spitting up mucus. Besides that, that's about it. I'm feeling fine. I haven't lost my taste or smell, so that's a great thing. That's a huge plus. And I haven't had a fever. So that's a good thing. So if you're a doctor, you can diagnose it, but I don't have COVID. Uncle's already took the test. So, honeys, don't forget, I'm on Cameo. If you guys need a personal shout-out, here I am. The link will be in the description box below. Plus, the link to all my socials, like Social Security. What the fuck? Like Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok. Links in the description box below. Love you, honey. Stay you, stay beautiful, and stay strong. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well. Love ya.